Ang kantang ito ay para sa ating dating kasama. Ito yung request ni Nate. Ito na yung request mo. And sana naman, itinong ka nung kabisado, sana magustuhan mo. This is a Jealous Guy from John Lennon. Alam mo, ito yung paborito mo. Mula pa nung nagsama pa tayo. At sa lahat ng mga kasama nating ship na nasa Pinas na, i-regards lang kami. Kasama ng ating cameraman, si Chef Anghilo. Saka si Sir Enrico, ano na sa kabila, medyo busy sa business niya. Diyan. Yan, ipakita mo naman ang ating amo. Si Sir Enrico. Ayaw Okay. Anay ka. Sana magustuhan mo.
Ako naman.
Yan. Ay. Huwag lang sana sumamit.
I was dreaming of the past, and my heart was beating fast. I began to lose control. I began to lose control. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy. I was feeling insecure. You meant love me anymore. I was shivering inside. I was shivering inside. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Kunti sayaw naman dyan.
I'm sitting down, I made you cry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy.
Lambutan mo naman. Yan. Yung mga
I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that I made you cry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy. Trying to get your eyes, though you were trying to hide. I was swallowing my pain. I was swallowing my pain. How did it make to hurt you? I'm sorry now, how did you cry? I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm just a jealous guy.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Sana magustuhan mo. Nate! Para sa iyo yun.
Okay. Stop.
Ay,